What's up? I'm back. Orale.
Orale.
Goofy fucker. So if you're like me and pretty much the rest of the world, you're probably bored off your ass. Am I right?
He's right. Do you know that?
So, a friend of a friend of a friend of a friend hit me up the other day and asked me if I still make cornhole boards. I know I said I wasn't doing woodworking anymore.
Liar! Liar!
Get back, witch!
But what the hell? I haven't done nothing in a long time. I still got a couple of tools on hand that I'm able to make a set of cornhole boards with. I sold most of it off.
You dick!
But hey, I have what I have, and let's make something fun with what I have. I'm bored, you're bored, he's bored, she's bored.
I don't have anything to do. Oh yeah? Find your teeth.
So as you can see, the landscape of the workshop has changed quite a bit. We traded the workbench in for a mini dojo. We literally kung fu in here. Like, kick-ass kung fu. Like, type stuff. Orale.
Orale.
So without further ado, let's unload this beast and get started. Let's have some fun. Let's create some shit, because I'm bored.
Prepare to fast forward!
Preparing to fast forward.
Fast forward!
Fast forwarding, sir.
Fix my dome piece, wipe off the sweat, because I'm sweating like a mother. Damn, it's hot. Let's get warmer. How many videos I'll be making right now? Because it's getting hot. Shit! That guy's nuts, huh? Anyways, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. There was a lot of fun building these boards. I had nothing to do. I wanted to build something, so like I said, the friends hit me up. They asked if I could make a set of cornhole boards. I said yes, and it was on from there. So, also wanted to do something different with my video this time. I want to incorporate some movie clips, some things that go on in my head on a daily basis. I wanted to show you guys and give you a little bit of laugh. So thanks for sticking around for all 3 parts, maybe 4 parts. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of this video. Had a lot of fun. Stick around for the next one. If you like what you see, subscribe, like, do all that dope stuff. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.